I'm going to fire questions at you, Heather, about our trip.
Let's do this.
Okay. Favourite airport?
San Francisco.
Favourite destination so far?
Good question. He's interrupting our video. Favourite favourite destination. Favourite place we've been so far. It's a toss up between Oaxaca, which was amazing, Oaxaca City. I really enjoyed Mexico City as well because it just totally blew my mind. It wasn't what I was expecting, but I'm also really enjoying Lima. So it's one of those three.
Friendliest place you've been?
Friendliest place? Again, Oaxaca City or Mexico City.
Favourite activity that you've done, like excursion, tour?
Good question.